So I want to cover a topic that I get asked all the time, and that is how did I hang the sound proofing, or well, it's not soundproofing technically, it's acoustic foam. So it helps with the reverb. Like if I talk to this wall, there's a lot of reverb, but this one isn't. So I have this nasty orange peel, which some people find very attractive in a home, but I hate it. And it's very hard to hang acoustic foam effectively without spraying adhesive. So let me show you all how I did that. So pretty much what we did was we got these 3M commando strips for the wall. You take your acoustic foam and you find where you're going to put it. And then what you do is this. You just get and put the little tab at the top, and then you will place the bottom and you'll push on the top and it'll lock it in. Now it is not the best because you'll bunch panels up once in a while like this one is, and you'll have to go back and add one. But all you do is peel it up, put another one down, and you're good to go. But it is a very safe way if you're renting an apartment or something. That kind of gets on my nerves. So I've got to readjust some of my panels. We're gonna close up the top since it's not even and go all the way down the walls. But I plan to do different colors on that wall and these walls. So I didn't put any green up there. So this is a total of like 96. Well, it's actually about 90 total right now. And I plan to get more. It's gonna take, because that's gonna be half green and black. That's gonna be green and black. This is going to end up being some color, and then I'm going to do like a red and black over here. That way we can have different backdrops and stuff. And I really enjoy it. It's pretty cheap, so definitely check it out. I'll drop a link in the description below on where to order it. Thanks for watching.